guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically save frames as an image on CapCut PC. So for instance, I have this video and I want to save like some parts of it as like an image, for instance like this one. You can like freeze frame it first so that it doesn't get lost, like when you like move this line you can like go back to it. And like this one for instance, you're just going to go to the part that you want to save it, like you want to save, select the three lines and then export still frame, and then you're going to type in like the name of the image. I'm just going to type image. This is where your photo is going to be exported to. You select the resolution here. You can select 4K. You can also select the format as well, and you can even import it to the project that you have opened, which for mine is this one. So I'm just going to select export. And then you can find it in your files, or if you imported it to your project, it's going to be here as like one picture, like a frame, I guess, like a still frame. And that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you have not done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!